Warning, this is a pest control video and it will show pests being controlled with air rifles. If this is likely to offend you, then please stop watching now. For the rest of you who like these type of videos, let's get on with the action. Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of P.P.P.C Pest Control. In today's video, I'm going to be handing out some eviction notices to a few rabbits. But before we get into the action, let's take a quick look at the kit I'm going to be using. My rifle choice for the evening is the FX Impact in 177 caliber. The scope is a thermal scope from P.P.P.C. The company is only released today, the 25th of September. To welcome everyone, they're going to be doing a free giveaway for a scope and a spotter. I'm sure there's either going to be 5 or 10 prizes. If you would like to be in with a chance, please join the P.P.P.C Facebook group for more information. The scope has a flip-up cap and the parallax is very smooth and not stiff like other brands on the market today. The menu is very easy to use just by turning the turret left or right. The zoom lever is also very smooth. To power the scope we can put batteries into the side, or it gives us the option to add a power bank. The P.P.P.C spotter is the best I have ever used. It comes with 2 batteries. One battery will last all night, but for a peace of mind you can take the other one out with you. It also comes with a flip-up cap, a built-in rangefinder, a big lens and a very smooth focusing ring. The thermal scope and the spotter have so many features, but we won't get into them all today. But I'll do a review soon. The spotter can be used for running dogs, shooting and so much more. Let me show you. So this is the sound now coming from the spotter. It's quite a lot of rabbits here. Very easy to identify as well. Let me just quickly show you around. So if we was out shooting or hunting and we want to know the distances, there we go. Nice and easy. Tells us how far everything is away. We can also zoom up. And we have a few different colours. Whoa, that stiffened him right up. I just got onto this other permission. There's 2 rabbits 136 yards away. So I'm going to slowly walk in and hopefully we're going to be able to get a shot. I just had a cracking little double. 2 shots within distance for nice remaining kills. I can't get too close for obvious reasons. Let me just grab this one for a second and we're going down to the next. I can just about see it. Yeah, this one's only half grown, but that's 2 in the bag. Let's carry on and hopefully we can get a few more.
I've just walked over the top of the bank from where I just killed the last one, and this other one's presenting itself. So I'm going to set up on the trigger sticks and hopefully put this one in the bag.
I know some people's going to slate me for this shot, but you should only ever shoot the distances that you're comfortable with. This rabbit was 73 yards. I missed him on the first shot, but the second one I hit him nice and clean, and that was it, all she wrote. I'm going to pick this rabbit up now and move for missions, and hopefully tonight we can bag a few more, but so far really happy with the scope and the spotter. By using these two, just makes your life a lot easier when out hunting, and you don't have to put a torch on, unless like me you're out recording and you have to just pick them up. But yeah, let's just pick this one up now and move on to the next.
Yeah, this rabbit's in distance. He's unaware that I'm here. So I'm just going to set the trigger sticks up now and hopefully put another one in the bag.
Most young rabbits, when shot, they seem to jump around a bit. This rabbit was dead on impact, but I knew it was a youngster before I went and collected it by the way it was bouncing. This is just the nerve system shutting down. Sadly, this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I thought I would leave a few clips from the P.P.P.C thermal spotter. Hopefully that's how you pronounce it. Please feel free to check them out on Facebook or Instagram and enter their free giveaway. Thank you very much for watching and for all your support. I look forward to chatting to you all down in the comments. Keep safe. Until next time, all the best, Pontypool Pest Control, aka the Sheriff, your sub 12 foot-pound king.